Hey everybody, this video we have, I think it's another Volkswagen Beetle lock. I've had this lock for a while. Actually had a kind of a tough time picking it. Actually, I think this is the first Volkswagen lock that I ever actually got, and I just found it a day or so ago, and I managed to actually pick it this time. Bidding was kind of wild on it, and we'll see that here after we pick and then decode it. So we're going to use the HU66 Lishi to pick it. So first things first here, put it in the lock. And so we can zoom in here. And I'll try not to film my back of my hand this time. Alright, so I'm going to put some tension on it and go through and look for something binding. Okay, it's kind of spongy, so leave it alone. And this one's actually staggered. We got 1, 2 on one side, 3, 4 on the other, 5, 6 on the other. So from here we're going to go over to number 5, and that is binding. Got 2 clicks on that. Okay, and tiny click on 6. Head to the other side here. 3 is springy. 4 is springy. Over 7, tiny click on 7. Got a tiny click on 8. So 1 still feels alright. A little bit of a click on 2 again. 5's alright. And 6 is still springy. Nothing on 3 and 4. 7 springing back, 8 springing back. Now I got a tiny click on 6 and actually got a little bit of rotation, so now I'm increasing the tension on it. 1 and 2 actually feel like they're set. Okay, now 3 is actually binding. Click on 3 and some more rotation, so I'm going to increase the tension some more. Seven is actually feels like it's binding now. 8 springy. Yeah, now 7 feels like it's set, so go back and look for something else. Got another click on 6 and some more rotation. Alright, now 3 is binding and we are open. So then from here we can actually read the lock, and we'll see what the bidding actually is on it. So this number 1 here is a 4, which you can could feel. Okay, and then number 2 is going to be a 3. Here's where it gets where it was kind of tricky here. We got 3, 4 are 1s, 5 and 6 are 1s, so we're at 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 7 is a 3, and 8 is a 2. So our bidding was 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2. So I made it kind of tricky, I guess here. Like I said, I did have some trouble with this particular lock. But, once you get it once, know the bidding, it makes it a little bit easier. Zoom out here, show you what the actual key looks like on this. And I'll show you that it works. Alright, and this is probably the last Volkswagen lock we'll see on this channel for a while. But questions or comments or anything, always welcomed. So you can like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.